Hello and welcome to another update video on Solana. So, on the Solana chart, we have seen really good performance yesterday. So just a reminder here that Solana recently broke out from this price channel here to the upside. I still view this as a potential C wave rally that's unfolding, which could be an A, B, C structure, obviously. And in the C wave, we have a wave 1. Wave 2, Wave 3, Wave 4, Wave 5. I don't want to get too much into the detail here, because if you start to explain all the nanostructures, then we're going to be here for half an hour. Please just understand that the C wave to the upside is likely an ending diagonal pattern, which means that this move up here could be messy, and we could see a lot of corrective subwave structures, because the wave 1, as highlighted here in white, is a 3-wave move, best I can tell. The wave 3 should therefore also be a 3-wave move. And there are many ways how such a 3-wave move can unfold. In fact, there are a lot of different corrective patterns, whereas there is only one impulsive pattern, but it doesn't look impulsive, even though you might think it does because the price is going up. But green candles don't make a move impulsive. It has to be the right structure and the right foundation. However, I am tracking higher prices, and especially as long as relevant support levels are holding, which I share with you on the smaller time frame, the trend is up, okay? There is an alternative scenario, which is the orange scenario. We could break back into the lower support region. That's not a call, that's not a prediction, that's just a plan B. In case that happens, and the market alone will decide that. Yeah, no Elliott wave analysis will decide that, but the Elliott wave analysis prepares you for such a scenario. It gives you a support zone that would be relevant in such a scenario. Please be prepared for that. Yeah, support in that case would be between $109.89 and $133.32. But it appears that the market might want to go higher towards $360 to $380. Now, I'm definitely on high alert that things could go wrong, because Solana has not broken above these swing highs here. Well, it's trying to, right? Some of them still could offer. It's more like a range of resistance that we're working our way through. It's always trying to go a little higher with every push. So next attempt needs to take the price above round about $207. Yeah, that's the July high. And then we can move higher towards the $360 to $380 area. Now let us go back to the smaller time frame, and what you can see on the chart here is that the price reacted to Fibonacci support back in August. Now, these zones, once they are on the chart, they are relevant areas where you can watch for a reversal. Doesn't mean that a reversal has to happen, but they are zones. Too many people look for the micro patterns, and they say, oh, maybe they could get another low or something. When the price is in the zone, it can react at any point, right? Sometimes it doesn't even get there. Well, then there was no setup, strictly speaking, yeah? But whenever the price is there, you have to be prepared for reversal. Solana has played this beautifully. The move to the upside from the August low seems like it could be wave 1 of 3. But anybody who obviously just paid attention knows that I just told you it could be rather a 3-wave move that's unfolding here. I'm not quite sure, right? So, this is all probabilities, guys. So I prepare you for just an ABC structure, but obviously have to track a 5-wave move in parallel. The reason I bring this up is because Circle Wave 1 looks more like a 3-wave move. I could be wrong about that. But then again, this move up, yes, I label it as 5 waves, but honestly, it could also be A, B, C. And the A wave is a 3-wave move. That's based on the proportions we have here. But again, don't worry so much about it now. We always have to track more than one pathway anyway. The next focus is on whether the price starts a pullback into this support region. At the moment, there is no evidence for a pullback, especially in the yellow scenario. We could even get another upside extension here. Then it would be more clearly the yellow scenario. So yeah, I think micro support here seems to be at $195. So if we get a decisive break below, this could be an indication that the wave 2 or B wave pullback has actually started. That's the update on Solana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, I invite you to join us on X for additional updates. Here you can get access to short-term updates, news. You can contact me. We can you can post, ask questions. I'm there very often. You can just interact with the community, share your thoughts, and so on. So check it out. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.